Hi, my name is James Lee, and today I'm going to talk about redirect links, which are also referred to as pretty links, and how they can give you a better conversion ratio when it comes to your affiliate marketing campaigns. Before we go too deep into all that, I want to talk about what I do. I'm a domainer. I own numerous domain names. I've invested in domains related to dieting, QR codes. I was a real big investor in OLED technology when that came about. I don't want to bore you to death with all the different types of domains I have, but I do want to mention one that I find is most ironic, and that's jameslee.me. I bought it with no intentions on selling it, but yet I get the most offers on it because there's that many James Lees out there. Moving forward, the next thing I want to talk about is something I learned from Adam Dicker, and that's if you're a motivated seller, if you're trying to sell your domains as fast as possible, then you end up with a bunch of lowball offers, and if you take the lowball offers, you're not going to make the amount of profits you thought you were going to make in this industry. It's best to hold on to the domain name and wait for the right buyer to come around. In doing so, you could hold on to a domain name for years, which will mean you have to re-register the domain name, you have to re-up your hosting, and all that starts costing a lot of money, especially when you have a big portfolio like me. But when you want to monetize it, there's a couple options there. You can park your page. I don't find any money in parking pages, especially when it's some third-party parking system that uses Google AdSense, and they're just paying you a sliver of what they're making off of it, which you might as well sign up for Google AdSense directly. They have Google AdSense for domains now, and you can just make all the profit from the parking yourself. And from there, now that we've established I don't do parking, what I do is affiliate marketing. I make a website and I put affiliate links on there. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and give you an example. I have a banner for a link cloaking script, and if you look in the lower left hand corner, you'll see the affiliate link. It's nanocast.com/vp/the-program/the affiliate ID, which, by the way, that's not my real affiliate ID. And when somebody looks at this, a lot of people nowadays will look at where they're going to go before they click something, and first glance, the banner's telling you you're going to see a link cloaking script, and the bottom left corner of the screen is telling me that's not related to what I want to see. So it really discourages a lot of people, especially Bitly links. I'd never click those because that's a really good way to get a virus or get redirected to some place that's totally not what they were advertising it to be. So one solution to this is link cloaking, or redirect scripts, or pretty links, whatever you want to call them. I got a couple examples of what an affiliate link might look like here. By the way, I'm using Ubuntu with the Compass effects turned on, so I hope I'm not distracting you too much with all this fun eye candy. But here is an example. If you have a website that has a product they sell and they have their own affiliate program, you sign up for that and they provide you an affiliate ID. And with that affiliate ID, you can link to their homepage, and then anywhere they go from there, whatever they buy, you get commission on. Or you may link to a specific product page. And with that, a lot of times people look at the address they're going to go to, and if they see something that looks like that, then they know that somebody's just referring them, or somebody's trying to make a commission here. So they, tend to avoid it as well. So moving forward, what's even worse is when you have an affiliate network address. Like say X product website wants to sell their product and they don't have an affiliate script. So they may pay somebody like Nanocast or another third-party affiliate system like Commission Junction to do the hosting of that service for them. And what ends up happening is your address that you're sending the person to looks nothing like what the product you sell is. And by the time you have the affiliate ID in there, usually the redirect to their actual product website, it's looking like a really long address that people are going to try to avoid. So what's the solution to all this? Redirect links. I mentioned Bitly earlier. I don't like Bitly because, once again, people are discouraged from using it. If you have your own redirect system, then it's your website and / whatever word you want. Because you basically, you can use directories and you just have a word. You don't have a .html, you don't have a .anything. It's kind of like how you see commercials where they tell you to go to this website / this one particular word. So how do you achieve this? Well, you do it with a redirect script. There's a couple ways to go about doing it. There's the free way. I want to talk about that a little bit here. I used to do the free way, and that was managing all the PHP scripts. If one little thing changed, you had to go hunt for whatever folder in your hosting that it was stored under. So it got to be a real big burden, especially when you had to FTP it, edit it, send it up. I prefer to do FTP rather than a file manager, and it's just so tedious, basically, to me. I had this project where I had to make so many redirect links, and then I haven't even got to the other parts of it I wanted to make, like QR codes, because you can make a QR code redirect. This way, if you accidentally have the wrong address on your QR code, you can fix it, like having your, somebody's mobile phone go to your main homepage rather than the mobile site or something like that. It's really bad, especially if you pay for it to be on business cards or anything like that. So it's best to have redirect links and point your QR codes to redirect links. This way you can point them differently if anything ever changes. Plus, if you have affiliate links and the affiliate decides to change the structure of the link, or something comes up, the product's not offered anymore, you have the option of still redirecting all those links that were made a long time ago to something totally new. And now we'll go back to my other desktop. Here I got some free scripts to show you. One of them is the most simplest one. That's the plain Jane redirect script. You put this inside of a PHP file, and if you put that inside of a folder, as long as you name the file index.php, you can pretty much just go to the folder name and it'll bounce you out to whatever link you decide to put in here. And from there, I don't really use this one anymore. The only one I really use is this one, and that's a rotating affiliate link. And the way I would do this, I normally wouldn't take one link and bounce them to different places, but I use this only with partnerships. When I have a friend, he's a graphics designer. I'm not really much of a graphics designer myself, so sometimes we'll work in tandem on a website, and what I'll do is, if I'm giving him, say, a 20% cut of the commissions or something like that off the website, or the revenue made, what I'll do is I'll put his affiliate link in there once, and then I'll fill in mine 4 other times, and then randomly it'll just kind of work out to be roughly 80% me, 20% him. So that's the only real script I ever use independently of what I'm about to show you here. And we'll go back to my website, and we have that banner. It's still got that link on there, so I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose to copy the link location. Now I'm going to go to the redirect script. It's called Easy Redirect, and from here I want to stop and just say how awesome this script is. I didn't even watch the whole webinar before I bought it. I think I watched about a third before I decided it's the script that I wanted, and I'll show you why. For making it simple here, we'll call it Link Cloaker for the actual redirect name, and from here, the destination URL, we're going to paste in the affiliate link, and then we're just simply going to choose Create Redirect. And this is where they had me. At the point where I saw that it makes a QR code for you on the fly is where I was just amazed, and how much time saving this is, because it's a real burden to go to a website and have to generate free QR codes here, and it's just a nightmare to me. But this has saved me so much time and money, and it lets me spend more time with my kids, because primarily, I think I can bust out a WordPress site in probably about like 3 hours completed, and I think I spend more time on redirects than I do anything else. So this script was really a godsend. And what we'll talk about now is what this QR code does. This QR code does not go to the affiliate program, it goes to the redirect name. So if I decide to change that destination URL later on in the future, this QR code is still going to bounce to whatever I decide to change it to, so I can fix things later on. It's not like I printed this on a business card and it went to one website, and then all of a sudden that website's gone, or that product's gone, or just things happen sometimes, and this gives you the ability to fix it easily. So just to show you what this will do, we'll copy this and we'll open a new browser window and paste it. And so we're going to go to jameslee.me/linkcloaker, and when I press enter, I just go to easyredirectscript.com. That Nanocast address, they actually take and omit that when you get to the destination URL, so I didn't have to worry about stealthing this link. But for the most part, it's just a lot more convincing to get somebody to click that kind of a link than it is to see the long garbly goop. So go back to the script, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the advanced features. I didn't even get into this part in the webinar before I decided I was going to buy it. This was just an added bonus. So just to go over a few of the things it can do for you, we have the standard redirect. We just did one, so I'll skip that. SEO redirects, which are basically if you want to pass PageRank on to the page it's going to. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you probably don't want to waste your PageRank on giving it to your affiliate program. I never use these. And stealth pages are basically where you can give it a redirect name, the page title, the destination URL, but really it's not going to show that URL. It's just going to actually look like the name you gave it. So you know, I don't use this either. I don't see a purpose in that. It looks kind of false to me. I wouldn't really find any value in that part of it. But the stealth redirects, these are really neat. I like these. These are where you put in your redirect name, just like we did earlier, the affiliate URL, which is the destination you really want them to hit, but the final destination URL is what you want them to see. So basically I can do the redirect name, the affiliate URL is whatever with the long code in it, and then the final destination I can just set it as their plain home page, and then it's going to bounce them through that affiliate link, and then their ultimate landing page is going to be just the home page. They're not going to see your affiliate ID at all. It's just another way of cloaking your affiliate ID, which is awesome. I use this one only. That's about the only one I use under the advanced section. The last one they have listed there is a promo redirect. You may have already seen that or experienced it before. That's where you go to like download a file. It's real common to see it on a lot of files that offer free software or such. That's where you go to download it, and then you got to sit there and look at a page for 10 seconds or however much time the webmaster sets staring at a banner code, and basically you know, wasting your time. I don't use this either though, but you can if you want. I don't find it convincing. You know, usually once somebody's trying to download something, they're going to ignore whatever it is that's in front of them trying to get to where they're trying to go. So I don't really bother with this either. I pretty much just use the stealth redirects and the simple mode. That's all I need, and that's it for this one. If you have any other questions, anything about the redirect scripts you want to ask me, feel free to shoot me an email. It's james@jameslee.me. Please like my video, and if you see it on Facebook, like it there. Share it along if you want. And I appreciate you for watching my video. By the way, if you want the free scripts, you can feel free to come to jameslee.me and get them. And you should find a link somewhere on there that'll take you to them. And please subscribe, and thanks for watching.